Hey guys, it's Laura. Welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing everything that is left over from my June Scrap My Stash Challenge kit. So if you haven't seen my video yet, at the beginning of June I put together a kit from my stash in the hopes of finishing up as many of the products in that kit as I could and making a dent in my stash. So today I am going to share with you all the stuff that I have finished and completely used up from that stash kit and show you what is left over and things that I have learned going forward for the next month. So the first thing I'm going to share is all of the things that I completely used up. This packaging, this used to be completely filled with rubber hearts. I only have 2 left, so I just put them in here with the rest of the rubber, and I'm going to throw this container out. I finished up all of the enamel dots and shapes that were in this package, all of the enamel dots that were in this package, all of the brads from this package, all of the wood buttons and enamel dots from this one, all of the burlap bows from this package, and this one was completely full, so I used up 6 burlap bows. I finished up what was left of the brads in this package, and I finished up the rest of my Maggie Holmes 12x12 chipboard sticker pack. So these are all the things that I can throw out now. I completely used them up. They are gone, and now I'm going to share with you the things that I still have some left of. So at the beginning of June, this Oasis chipboard sticker pack from Crate Paper was completely full. And as you can see, I only have a few things left on it, but mostly I've used everything up. So I'm pretty excited, and in order to save some space, what I will probably do is use my EK Success tool here and make the back of these not sticky anymore. That way I can just put them in a little container instead of having them on this huge 12x12 chipboard sticker paper here. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I managed to use up almost all of these. And for my paper, I did so good with my paper. So I thought for sure I would have more paper scraps left at the end of the month than I did at the beginning, but I don't. This is what's left of one of my 12x12 papers. This is left from one of my 12x12 papers, and these are left from some of my scraps. So as you can see, I used up nearly all of my paper, all of the 12x12 papers that I had grabbed and all of the paper scraps I had grabbed. And I'm really excited I made such a big dent in that. Next, we have got my sticker book. This is a book of all of my planner stickers, and at the beginning of the month, it was a lot thicker. I managed to use up a ton of my stickers this month, and I'm so excited. So I've managed to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages from my planner book, front and back. That's how many planner stickers I used up, 6 pages. So I'm pretty excited. This sticker book is looking a lot thinner, and I feel really great that I'm finally using up some of those stickers. Next, we have got rubber embellishments. I love rubber embellishments, and I had so many of them and I never used them. So I'm really excited. I only have a few left after this month. I tried really hard to use them up. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 left. And I'm pretty excited because these will be easy to use, and I no longer have so many that are overwhelming that I don't know what to choose. So pretty excited about that. Out of the sequins I pulled for this month, if you watched my kit at the beginning of the month, you'll know that I only pulled my sequins to help decorate my pages because they went along with the colors that I chose for this kit, and I wasn't expecting to use up or complete any of these sequin packs except for maybe the gold. So I didn't finish any of the sequins, but that was okay. I wasn't planning to, and I actually only have 4 gold sequins left in there, and that's the one I thought I might finish. So I'm pretty excited about that. And then down to the last container here, I'm so excited. There's so little left of this kit from June. Here are a couple of enamel dot epoxy rubber embellishments here. I used up most of this pack and I only have 2 left. And then tags. I used up so many tags this month. If you watched my June kit video, you'll know that I had one of these whole things, one of these containers full of tags. And I managed to use up over 35 tags this month, and I have about 20 left. So I'm really excited. I used up more than half of my tags, and now I have a very manageable amount of tags instead of a huge overflowing amount. From my pack of bows, I only have 1 bow left, so that's pretty awesome. I managed to use up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I managed to use up 6 other bows. This is the only entirely full pack of enamel dots that I had grabbed at the beginning of June, and I made a pretty good dent in it, and I only grabbed these to go along with the other ones that I had grabbed out for the kit. So I didn't know if I was actually going to finish these, and there was no pressure to finish these because it was a brand new pack, and I love the gold, so I'll definitely use them in the future. But I made a pretty big dent in it, so that's pretty cool. This is all the enamel dots I have left for this month, and this is all the bows that I had left for this month, which is pretty crazy because I had a ton in the kit at the beginning of the month. And on to flare badges. I only have 9 left. I'm really excited. I had a ton of these. I had like 18 of them. So yeah. It's a very manageable amount now. And in case you're wondering, I do this for all of my flare buttons. I adhere them to a piece of paper front and back, and this way they never scratch each other. So if you just put them all in a container loose like this, the bottom of one will scratch the top of the other buttons. So this is how I store mine. That way they never get scratched or ruined. So the last thing I had in my Scrap My Stash challenge kit for June was my box of wooden embellishments. And I made a significant effort at using these, and I did use up quite a few of them in some of my layouts. But one thing that I have learned is that when you grab a huge stash like this, it's really hard to see what you actually made a dent in. So one of the things I have learned moving forward is that in future kits, what I will do is I will grab like a specific little box of wooden embellishments out and kind of have a smaller stash to choose from instead of all of them. That way I can visibly tell how many I've used up and what kind of progress I've made. Since you can't tell all of the little alphabets I used up this month for titles or all of the little icons I've used when you're looking at a huge pack like this. So moving forward, I will choose less of each type of embellishment. That way I can tell for sure how much I've used up. And that's it. This is everything that is left over from my June Scrap My Stash challenge kit. I am so excited to have made a huge dent in my stash this month, and I made over 20 layouts. I am so excited. I still have several more process videos to share with you from my June Scrap My Stash challenge kit. So those will be coming your way, and I will be doing this project again in future months. I will be doing it in July as well, but my July kit is going to be a lot smaller since I still have so many process videos from June to edit and show you guys. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and this series in June. I hope you are feeling so inspired to make a dent in your stash and to actually use up the gorgeous things that you have. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit that big red button so you see all of the fun creative projects that I do. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!